It's me, Mario!
Hello guys, we are the
Bytecode.
and I'm the leader of this group. My name is Emmanuel Dimisola.
My name is Jemani Sean Gabriel Pentingue.
My name is Jared Domnes.
And my name is Raji and Declaro.
And
Let's
let's
do
do
Arduino 101.
Hello everyone, this is our Arduino project number 15, which is the infrared controlled LED matrix. So this project teaches how to control the 8 LED digital display using an IR remote. Each button presents a signal to the IR receiver, which the Arduino decodes to display numbers 0 to 9 on the LED matrix. So here we have the materials. Here we have the DF Arduino Uno R3. It is a compact microcontroller board based on the Atmega 328P, compatible with the Arduino IDE. It features color-coded headers for easy sensor connections and supports digital and analog inputs, making it perfect in learning, prototyping, and development. Here we have the prototype shield. It involves using an Arduino board, sensors, actuators, and code to create a functional mock-up of a device or a system. Here we have the jumper cables, male-to-male. They are essential wires used in electronics to connect components on a breadboard or between modules. Male-to-male jumper cables are flexible wires with the male connectors on both ends, used to link electronic components during prototyping and circuit testing. Here we have the 220R ohms resistor. Is a safety component that controls the flow of electricity current in Arduino projects, especially for LEDs. Next, here we have the IR receiver diode. It is a sensor used to detect infrared signals from a remote control and send them to the Arduino. The Arduino then reads the signals as codes and performs an action based on the button pressed. And last one, we have the 8-segment LED. It is a electronic component that used to show numbers 0 to 9 and sometimes letters on an Arduino. It works by lighting up the specific segments to the form digits.
So hello everyone. So this is the Arduino project called Infrared Control LED Matrix. So previously we talk about on the code is the infrared control, which is the LED. We're just going to use the remote. So for here we're going to use an LED matrix. So as previously we're just going to include the I remote to get the signals. Then we're just going to declare a variable called IR receiver, which is the 11 digital pin. Then create an object, then the result, and then variable that tracks the current display number. Then we're going to create a long codes which is equivalent to 12. This is the IR codes that corresponds to the remote button 09, then advance and back. So here. So 0xFD30CF. So this is all hexadecimal. So after the block of code, we're going to do the segment patterns for displaying digital 09 on 08 digital pin to 9. So this is going to be the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as you can see for the LED matrix, right? So this is the segment patterns for the for displaying the digit by 0, 1 to 9 on the 8 digital pins to 2 to 9. We do. So another function is the how we going to show the number. So number show, then int I. So we're just going to declare an for loop. So int pin 2, which is the starting pin from the 0 to 1 that we did in the Arduino. Then if pin is less than 0, 9, we're just going to loop that to 9. Then pin plus plus incrementing. So digital right pin number I, which is the parameters, then pin minus 2. So after that, we're just writing the digit I by writing the pins 2 or 9. So after that, we're going to the setup function. We're just going to start the serial begin or serial communication by 9600 to see what the code that we receive in the IR receiver signal. So IR receive, we're just going to enable the IR receiver by enable IR in here. Then for that, in the setup, we're going to set the pins that 2 to 9 as an output, then initialize them to high so we can see it after turning on them by using the remote. So pin like we did to the number show, just going to copy that, paste it here, but instead of that we're going to use the pin mode pin. We're just going to loop the iterate to 2 to 9. So pin output, then digital pin to high. So after that, we're just going to do the check if the IR receiver signal as received. So same as before, we're just going to reference the result. Then for this, after that, we're going to do an loop. So int I equal 0, I is less than 11, and I plus plus, which is the increment. So we're just going to check every combination of that. So if a number key is 0 to 9 is pressed, display the corresponding digit. So digital value is going to check in the codes array is something that aligns with this. It's going to check here. Then another condition is I is less than 9. If it goes over, it will not do this actually. So we're just going to go back to the 0 or not work. So number show, we're just going to use the function that we created earlier to show the number. Then current number, so we can see what or store the current number that we got earlier. Then serial print ln, so we can see what is the value of I, or what we got from the digital or I receiver signal. Then after that, you can this will go to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So another thing is that we do, if the advanced key is pressed and the current number is greater than 0, it will decrement. So advanced will just go to the decrease the number. So if back is pressed, it will just increment the number. So advanced, it's going to add plus plus, then current number just going to add it or increment, then number show just previously. So after that, we're just going to break every iteration after that, so we can see if any in the remote is pressed. Then after that, print the raw IR code in the hexadecimal format, debugging, so we can see what value of the result is. Then after that, we're just going to resume the I receiver to the next I signal by just doing this. And after that, something is pressed, then it will check in the if code statement. If it's number key pressed, go to do this. If it's the advance, we're going to do this. If it's going to the back, we'll do this instead. So that's the I receiver code works, and the AP pin 15, which is the infrared control LED matrix. That's it.